Okay, terrorists, put your thumbs up and look at each other. And thumbs down, okay. As you can see by the innocent tag, we were playing some T.T.T. This is always a fun game at the end of the day. That's your freebie. Go, go, go! What are you cocking that for? What are you doing back there, Spike? Hey, I'll watch this way, you watch that way. For some reason, Spike and Cooper are sticking together. I put my zoom cam on my pistol this game. I'm gonna try and do my best to point at everybody I can. Because this game's a little odd trying to record. Because if someone's not right next to me, I don't really see anything at all through the footage. So this is an experiment, but the zoom I think will help the videos on this game. Hey, it's Spike. Spike. Are you? I don't know if you're trying to shoot me, Matt. All right, Spike's out. What? What's Graydon doing? I would keep an eye on. I don't trust Robert. I think I just caught Graydon there at the perfect time because he wanted to shoot Matt, but as soon as I looked over and pointed at him, then he stopped.
Or were you shooting blanks? But he could have been trying to draw attention away from.
I'm just wondering. I just don't know why those two were talking like that.
What's that?
I don't know why they were talking like that.
I think Mike might have been trying to draw attention away from the other.
No.
You're gay. What? No, you.
I don't trust Cooper.
Hi, Sean. I shot the tarp.
I might just shoot Coop just to shoot him. See if he is. Two! Like you need to know.
Yeah.
I still think Cooper is the other terrorist because he spent the first part of the game with Spike.
Shot, but he has to be friendly and set down. Graydon, are you dead?
I don't trust. Here's where the chaos begins. Robert starts shooting at Graydon, so I start shooting at Robert. And then Cooper looks towards me, so I start shooting at Cooper. And a bunch of innocents shot each other. I'm out, I'm out. You shot me, so I'm out. No, no. I now realize that Graydon is the terrorist, and there's 3 innocents left. So I start making my way over here so I can at least finish the footage. Now Graydon and Jared are getting into it. I'm pointing my gun, hoping my zoom cam is recording Jared's side of it. Now Graydon's down, reloading his shotgun. There goes Jared.
I don't know. Is this guy still dead? Alright.
Okay, that ends the game. If you enjoy, like and subscribe.